Now, there is another issue which is very, very important. And I guess all of you here have seen it happen. Some of these events organizers have a tendency of advertising popular musicians, whereas they are not going to be part of their events. So the people sit, wait for a popular musician. The musician ends up not turning up. So what they do, they destroy chairs and all sorts of furniture, and at times throw things up and down, projectiles. Before you realize, a person has lost an eye. People have been injured. At times, that violence calls in police to quell the rowdy and to disperse the rowdy crowd. There are incidents actually where we have registered deaths. Now, those kind of jokers, we shall arrest them. Any organizer planning that kind of fraud shall come into contact with the law. So we need to warn them in time. Advertise those musicians you are going to have on your show. Stop duping public.